We're going to put the motor into the spindle, and this is the end result. And so I'm going to take it apart and then show how to put it in here. But here's a slot that the wire and the guide go through. The motor, the top of the motor, or this little shelf, goes below the surface of this slightly, and that's exactly what it looks like after it's assembled. And this will be free rotating. It'll be very loose, it won't be tight. So let me take this apart. Okay, and the first thing we do is take everything out of there. This is the spindle. First thing we do is thread the wire through the spindle, and it goes through that slot. So we push that through and get it there. On this part, you want the wires pushed up against there and not all tangled, so kind of get them nice and flat right through there. So we push that in, kind of leave it like that, put it in the vise, something to hold it. Okay. Then we're going to push this through in here, and it's going to be this little guide here. The wires go on that, and we're going to push this through until it sticks out the slot on the bottom, and then this will line up with the motor. You can see there's two little indents in here where these two little feet go, or two little tabs go. So we've got this in there. The wires are straight. I use a screwdriver with some double stick tape, and I put this on in this orientation. It'll go in like this. So the two little tabs here, and here's the guide up here. So I run the guide down the wires, okay, and that'll go down just like that into that tab or the slot on the spindle, and I kind of hold that with my fingers, kind of push this through, and when I do that I pull on the wire slightly until it goes all the way in, and kind of push it. It'll kind of lock in place a little bit, and it's down below the surface right here. This is free rotating, and that's how you stick it in there.